Everyone wants to be a successful investor. But here's the truth. Most people lose money in the stock market not because it's rigged, but because they make the same dumb mistakes over and over. Today, we're talking about the top investing mistakes to avoid. If you can dodge these, you'll already be ahead of most beginner investors. Mistake number 1, trying to get rich quick. Investing is not a lottery ticket. The people looking for overnight success usually end up broke. Real wealth takes time. Mistake number 2, following hype instead of research. If you're buying a stock because it's trending on TikTok or Reddit, you're gambling, not investing. Mistake number 3, timing the market. Nobody can predict the exact best time to buy or sell. Even professional investors get it wrong. The best strategy? Consistent investing over time. Mistake number 4, not understanding what you're investing in. If you can't explain how a company makes money, don't buy its stock. Warren Buffett calls this the circle of competence. Mistake number 5, putting all your money into one stock. It feels good when it goes up, but when it crashes, so does your net worth. Diversification protects you. Mistake number 6, selling in a panic. Markets go up and down. Beginners freak out during dips and lock in losses. Smart investors stay calm and think long-term. Mistake number 7, investing money you can't afford to lose. Rent money, grocery money, emergency funds. None of this belongs in the stock market. Mistake number 8, ignoring fees and taxes. High fees eat away at returns. Always know what you're paying in brokerage fees or mutual fund expenses. Another big mistake, confusing trading with investing. Day trading is risky and stressful. Investing is patient and strategic. Mistake number 9, not having an emergency fund first. If all your money is in stocks and you need cash suddenly, you'll be forced to sell at a bad time. Mistake number 10, chasing the hottest stock tips. By the time you hear about the next big thing, it's usually too late. Mistake number 11, ignoring compounding. People underestimate how much small, consistent investments grow over decades. Mistake number 12, failing to set goals. Investing without a plan is like driving without a destination. Know what you're working toward. Mistake number 13, no diversification across asset types. Stocks are great, but don't forget bonds, ETFs, or even real estate if possible. Mistake number 14, emotional investing. Greed makes you buy high, fear makes you sell low. That's the opposite of what you should be doing. Mistake number 15, not continuously learning. Financial literacy isn't a one-time lesson. Smart investors keep learning about markets, companies, and strategies. Robert Kiyosaki often says, the rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. But that only works if you invest wisely. Jeremy Lefebvre, a popular investing YouTuber, constantly reminds viewers to focus on fundamentals, revenue growth, profits, and long-term potential, not short-term hype. Mistake number 16, copying others blindly. Just because someone made money in a stock doesn't mean you will. Everyone has different risk tolerance and timelines. Mistake number 17, overreacting to news headlines. The media loves fear. Successful investors look beyond daily noise. Mistake number 18, not reviewing your portfolio. Your investments need to match your goals. If things change, adjust your plan. Mistake number 19, putting off investing. Waiting for the perfect time is just an excuse. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Mistake number 20, believing investing is too hard. Anyone can learn. Start small, stay consistent, and grow your knowledge over time. The truth, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to avoid big mistakes, stay patient, and let compounding work. Financial education is the real cheat code. The more you understand money, the better your decisions will be. Investing isn't about being flashy. It's about building wealth quietly while everyone else chases hype. So if you're a beginner, focus on avoiding these mistakes before worrying about finding the best stock. Build your financial literacy. Learn money management. Understand how to invest, not just what to invest in. Once you master the basics, everything else becomes easier. So which of these mistakes have you made before? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more real investing tips that actually help you grow wealth.